can't believe the level of detail in these book nooks. This one's Steve's study.
Sam's study.
Sam's study.
Yeah.
Steve would have been better. But hey, you know, I'm only a writer. Ooh, look at the flower. That's pretty. So you already have books in there. Did you put them in there, or were they already in there?
I just put them in there everywhere.
Did you put them in a specific order?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. A lot of these books say book on them too. It's just really cool.
Yeah. They're funny.
So some of them are individual and some of them are just kind of blocks, like sets. That's pretty cool too. Saves you some time. Because there's literally hundreds of these things. And that's your parquet floor over there, chessboard looking thing. Nice.
Yeah, I have to do that later.
Wow.